Namaste to all. Welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss animals in their surroundings, two topics. First, how do whales and dolphins breathe? And then second, how do earthworms and frogs breathe? In my previous videos, I have told you the breathing habits of aquatic animals and I think I have told you the breathing habits of insects also. So when I was telling you the breathing habits of aquatic animals, that time I have told you that fish, tadpoles and other aquatic animals breathe through gills. But there are some aquatic animals like whales and dolphins that their breathing habits are not same, means they do not have gills, they have lungs for breathing. And these lungs take in oxygen only from air. So today we will first discuss about that what are the breathing habits of whales and dolphins, means how do whales and dolphins breathe. So now let's start the topic. First topic, how do whales and dolphins breathe. Whales and dolphins also live in water. They are also aquatic animals. But they do not have gills. They have lungs that can take in oxygen only from air. So they cannot breathe underwater and have to come to the surface of water to breathe. Means whales and dolphins are also aquatic animals, but they don't have gills. They have lungs for breathing that can take in oxygen only from air. And that's why they can't live underwater. So they have to come to the surface of water frequently for breathing. Then how do they breathe? They have a hole on the top of their head known as blowhole for breathing. They have blowhole on the head for breathing. When they breathe in, oxygen from the air enters the body through a blowhole, and when they breathe out, carbon dioxide leaves the body along with water. Means when they breathe in, the oxygen from air enters the body through the hole present on the top, means blowhole, that is used for breathing. So the oxygen from the air enters the body through the blowhole only, and carbon dioxide then leaves the body along with water. Means through the blowhole only along with water, carbon dioxide leaves the body. Now we have discussed this thing. I am repeating once more. Whales and dolphins also live in water. They have lungs that can take in oxygen only from air, so they cannot breathe underwater, and thus they have to come to the surface of water frequently for breathing. They have blowhole on the head for breathing. When they breathe in, oxygen from the air enters their body through a blowhole. When they breathe out, carbon dioxide leaves the body along with water. Now we have discussed this topic. Now let's discuss our last topic, how do earthworms and frogs breathe. So earthworms and frogs breathing habits are mainly similar, but there are some changes. So first we will discuss that how do earthworms breathe. Now how do earthworms breathe? So an earthworm always breathes through its skin. Means they do not have gills, they do not have any blowhole, nothing. They have skin that helps them for breathing. Means an earthworm breathes through its skin. And if we will talk about frogs, so frogs also breathe through their skin, but only in water. As we know that frogs are amphibians, means they can both live in water and on land. So in water, frogs breathe through their skin only. But on land, how do they breathe? On land, they breathe through their lungs. Means they have lungs also that help them in breathing. And the baby frogs or tadpoles breathe through gills. Now I am repeating this thing once more. That first earthworms and earthworm breathe through its skin, and then frogs. So frogs breathe through it. So frogs breathe through their skin when they are in water. That we have to remember that when they are in water, they breathe through their skin, but on land they breathe through their lungs. And the baby frogs or tadpoles breathe through gills. So now we have understood this topic also. Mainly we can say that earthworms and frogs breathe through their skin, but frogs breathe through their skin only in water. That we have to know. as I have told you that there are little bit changes, means there are little bit differences between earthworms and frogs breathing habits, but mainly earthworms and frogs both breathe through their skin. But frogs breathe through their skin only when they are in water. On land they do not breathe through their skin, they breathe through their lungs. And baby frogs or tadpoles breathe through their gills. So for today my topics has been completed. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel or touch the bell icon to get more notifications about my channel. And please see my previous videos also. I have discussed all the things very nicely. I have told you the breathing habits of fish, tadpoles, then insects also, and human beings also I have told you in my previous videos very nicely. So please see my previous videos also. I am ending the video. Thank you.